Okay, now that we have created our first campaign, and if we are using double opt-in, we need to set up our opt-in message. So what we want to do is go up to where it says messages, scroll down to the bottom where it says opt-in message, and go ahead and select it. Now at the very top you'll notice the campaign that you're working with. If you have multiple campaigns and this is not the one that you're wanting to use or build the opt-in message for, make sure that you click on the drop down. We only have one campaign at this time, so we'll be able to continue as is. Now scroll down and you're going to see an HTML message box. Now this is a full WYSIWYG editor, so you can use it to help format and size the fonts and even make the fonts in different colors to make the email as attractive as you want or as exciting as you want. We're going to go ahead, and you notice at the top it says hello, and then it does have the insert code to put in the full name. Now you can change that at any time, and you can always find the insert fields down here, which will insert them in the bottom and then copy them up to the subject line if you wish to use them up there. And we'll go ahead and leave it as hello and subscriber's full name. We're going to go ahead and drop down. I'm going to put my cursor in front and hit enter a couple times so that it moves that line down, and then I'll go back up and I'm going to click on hi, put a space, and then I'm going to use the insert field. Clicking it, go to subscriber, and I'm just going to have it insert the first name. Put a comma at the end, and then we're just going to add, this actually says join to, and it says campaign name, so it would actually insert marketing list. So it would say join to marketing list. So I'm going to go ahead and just put in there, thank you for your interest in, just put joining my marketing list. Now we can stop right there, and it would go ahead and insert the field for them to click on in the confirmation email, or we can actually put the field in, because it always puts that link at the end of your text. If you want to put text below that, then go ahead and insert, go to global, go to activation URL, insert it. This will put the link there, and now you could drop down and continue to type and add to that email. So we're just going to put thank you, and we'll drop down. Now one thing that we do need to do in the opt-in message is go back to insert field, select global field, contact address. This way it'll insert the contact address at the bottom below that thank you. Now you do have also the option, if you put anything in the signature global field, which we will cover in another video, you could do insert field, global fields, and then signature as well. Now once we've completed this email, and like I said, you can come up here and maybe bold some of the information, maybe make it even larger. Now once you've made all the changes that you'd like to make, go ahead and highlight all of it, and let's copy that. And now what we want to do is scroll down, and we have a text message. This is in the event that the recipient has disabled HTML emails, so we need to put the same content in the text message to be sure of getting the full deliverability of all of our emails. So we'll go ahead and highlight what was there before, and we're just going to paste in the exact information that we had up here at the top. Now because this is text, you may need to come in here and clean it up a little bit, remove some of the spaces, and then once you are satisfied, then we can click on update. Now I will also mention that you can use the insert field here for the text message, which is exactly the same information that we've seen up above for the insert fields. So since we already have the fields inserted, there's no need to add any more. Now if you need to insert a link up here, you can do it through hyperlinks, which means that if we was to put, I'm going to type in just product, and if I wanted to hyperlink that to an actual product or another website, I could, by highlighting it and then coming up with what looks like a chain link, and click on it and insert the URL where they'll be taken to once they click on that link. Now I'm not going to add that to that box, but if I was doing that in the text message, what I would do is actually put the URL here with my cursor in the position in the email itself, and once I type in that URL I would click go and it will insert that URL for me. And once we're done, let's go ahead and click on update, and we have now added our opt-in message when we are using double opt-in.